This modern luxury Herndon property have everything you need. Welcome to 13621 Dallas Technology Drive. A modern end-unit townhome designed for everyday lifestyle. This home offers 3-bedroom open concept living, high ceiling, and extra large kitchen island, perfect for entertaining and everyday living. But what makes this home very special is the lifestyle. Enjoy the low maintenance living with the low condo fee. Walk to shop dining at the popular RealEstate Centre at Dallas. Use just a minute for metro, making your commute simple. Corner unit, great parking and prime location. This isn't just a home, it's convenient, comfort, and connection. I love to show you the home. Click below for schedule a private tour.